We've all heard the story. Isaac Newton was sitting in his apple garden when a special fruit fell on his head. He wondered why the earth didn't make the moon fall too, until he realized that it did. And this was the birth of Newtonian gravity. What's rarely taught is where this formula for gravity comes from. How did Newton go from an apple falling to this equation? Let's first look at Earth's orbit around the Sun. The Earth orbits the Sun in a circle with a constant orbital speed. Any force that causes things to have circular orbits is called a centripetal force, which is given by this formula. Since gravity is a centripetal force, this is also the formula for gravity, but we still need to tidy it up a bit. The time it takes for the Earth to go around the Sun once is called this period. In one period, the Earth travels a distance which is the length of a circle, 2 pi times its orbital radius. We can now use Kepler's third law of motion, which tells us that if you square the orbital period of any planet and then divide it by the cube value of its orbital radius, you get the same value for all planets. Let's call this value k. Putting all these pieces together, we find out that the force of gravity is proportional to 1 over the squared orbital radius. Now, knowing that gravity depends on the mass of 2 bodies, we have now successfully derived Newton's formula for gravity. Even though this formula may look a bit complicated, the story it tells is remarkably simple. All bodies throughout the universe are all connected through an attractive force, which shrinks the farther they are apart. And I think that's pretty beautiful. The story doesn't end there, that's the story for next time. Thanks for watching, and peace out.